Welcome. If you want to customize Always in Display in your OPPO Reno 6 Pro 5G, then first you have to go for the settings, find Always in Display right here, scroll down to the Always in Display, and then we can find the display options, so we can go for the all day. We can change our theme. For example, I'm going to pick this one. Here we can also change color of the captions, enable or disable date, battery and the notifications, and then click apply to confirm. And take a look right now. As you can see, that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.